Hello everyone, it's Marissa from MB's Creative Creations. Welcome back. If you are returning, if you are new, I would love to have you on my channel. We are a DIY channel, so we do anything from crafts, and it's mainly crafts. But we do anything from crafts to organization to recipes, and you name it. Anything that we can DIY, we're going to DIY. So I would love to have you stick to my channel and become a part of our family here at MB's Creative Creations. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you're returning, you haven't done it, shame on you. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. And before we get into the video, as you've seen, today's video is a Farmhouse repurposed wastebasket. Yes, I said repurposed because we all have that one blonde wastebasket in our rooms, just in the corner, just looking at us like, I need something. So that is what we're doing today. We're jazzing it up to fit our style. And because I am currently repurposing a lot of my pieces into farmhouse decor, I figured we could start with this one, and I absolutely love the simplicity of it because I am not only farmhouse but I like minimal, and so that's where kind of I went with this video. So let's get started. But I just want to give you your positive and encouraging word today, and that is authentic or authenticity. And it's basically just to be true to yourself and to who you are and what you do and what you don't do, you know, just in that realm. Basically, it's just being true to yourself in your heart, in your mind, and being different, because we would all be very boring if we were all the same person. Right? So here are the materials that you need for this DIY. We have a wire basket. This one I picked up at the Target dollar spot about a year ago. It was, I believe, $3 and $3 to $5, but I want to say I paid $3. Then of course your glue gun or your E6000 or any type of permanent glue, scissors, and then you have the option, I'm going to use jute cord, but you have the option of using burlap ribbon, the wired one, or the burlap regular ribbon. And this one's also from the Dollar Tree. That's what it looks like. As you can see this here, we're going to super glue it so it doesn't continue to feed, basically, or fray is a more appropriate word to use. So I'm just going to glue it here, and then I'm just going to continue to twist it. Be careful, it is hot. And of course you have the option of just cutting it up, but you still want to add some glue so it doesn't continue to fray. I would probably use a glove, one of those heat gloves for this, but I choose not to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a little bit of glue, and I'm just going to glue, and actually from the glue that's there, it's kind of sticking, but I'm just going to reinforce it some more. Now originally I had planned to weave my jute cord in and out from here, but because these are so wide, it wasn't really working necessarily the way I wanted it to, so I'm just going to wrap it around basically. But I'm starting here, and I am going to glue it every so often. Works best if the basket is standing up tall like this, and all you need to do is just twist and go. That's it. Super simple, easy. I am not gluing, and all I'm doing is that every so often is that I'm pushing down just to make sure that there's not a lot of space in between here, between my basket here, like you would see here. And if I just push down, and you wouldn't see anything. Again, it's optional to how you want yours to look. Of course, I hold it tight and just push down basically, and the rest of the twine or the jute just basically goes down. But I found this method easier, more effectively, and faster actually. So that's all I'm doing. Really simple. See, I can see that here too, so I can just fix it as I go. Okay, so I've decided that I'm not gonna go all the way up to the very top, being that I use this wastebasket for the bathroom, and so I do put a plastic inside of there, so there's no need for me to go all the way up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish off here, but I'm just going to show you how I'm going to finish off. So I'm just going to grab it, and all I'm going to do is push down here, and I'm just going to feed it here and just grab it. Snip it off, and I'm going to glue inside rather than outside. So I'm going to add some glue inside here. And I gave myself enough to kind of hold through. And then I'm going to put another one in here. So I did one and I did two. You don't necessarily have to go that extreme, but and that is that. So you can see that you can't really tell where you ended it. And if you really wanted to, you can go all the way, you can start all the way down here, but I just liked it better, just kind of giving it a little bit of white. And as you can see that some of the white's still showing there, and all I'm going to